Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your orders on Aliexpress. It's really simple and easy for this first of all, and of course you have to open the Aliexpress application here, and then you have to make sure that you are signed in with your account. So after signing in, tap on this account option in the bottom right corner. Here you will find the option of my orders. So you just have to simply tap on this my orders here. So go ahead, tap on this view all the option here. Now over here you will find a list of all of your orders. What you want to do is tap on the view all option, then you want to select the order that you want to track. After that you want to tap on the tracking option, and you will find all of the information about your order, and from there you can easily track it. There is another way on how you can track your parcel for AliExpress. For this you want to go for the browser here. You want to search for this global Kai Now. Tap on this first website, choose global.kainow.com. Now you want to enter your tracking number, which you can find in the AliExpress app. Then tap on the track option, and with these two methods you will be able to track your orders on AliExpress. And that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to track your orders on AliExpress. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.